Alright guys, so it's Sunday, it's early. As you see, I got some SeaFoam. I'm going to measure out 5 ounces in this cup and dump it in my funnel. I'm going to run it around for a little bit so it gets all that stuff out of the engine, all the sludge and whatnot, so I can change my oil today. Directions say use 1 ounce per quart, 5 quarts, so we need 5 ounces. And then whatever I have left over, we'll put in the fuel tank since I'm running pretty much almost a full tank. Here we go. Ounces. Let's see. That's 4 ounces. That's in between 4 and 6. Let me dump her in. Now they say drive 100 to 300 miles. I'm gonna let mine sit out here and run for a bit, and I'm gonna drive it around for, I don't know, probably 50 miles. Hot. When you guys get your car up on jack stands or ramps, go ahead, and it's going to be tough to film this. Up there, you see it right above the axle. Can't even get my hand in here to point for you guys. Let's see, right there. That's your sandwich plate. You got to undo that nut right there, and you can get that off. And right below it, you can see the temperature or oil pressure sensor right there. That's where you're going to plug in if you're going to hook up a mechanical oil pressure gauge. Alright, these are the gauges I'm going to be installing. See on the left, oil, and then we got our water. I just got my electronic pressure sensor out. I'm going to match it up and make sure I have everything I need for this. Alright, I got the oil line ran. I don't have it zip tied up yet, but I ran it through a hole there. Ran it up through right here where the door jamb is. It's going to come out up to right there. And I'm going to get ready to mount this right there. Alright. You're going to want to get that all ran through there first, and then screw your gauge and your pod. I'm getting ready to do the temperature now. Alright, I got everything buttoned up. Got the new sandwich plate gasket on. Tight spot, couldn't really film too much of that, you know. Got the pillar gauge pod, got the pods in. I got it pre-wired, so I got to get a little fusible link, 5 amp, so I can put that on my fuse box, find the port that's hot when you turn the ignition on and powers it up, or you can tie it into your light switch, or run a separate toggle switch. But yeah, just cruising, man. Normal speeds, it's 70-80 psi on oil pressure, which is good. It idles, you know, about 30. I'm kind of shocked that it did that, but either this gauge is wrong or eliminating those balance shafts really worked on gaining oil pressure. Very cool. Be sure to give the videos a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.